I think I made the wrong decision. Ngayon na yung flight ko to... Saan ba ako punta? Sa Boracay. Pinsuot ko sa flight. Mga 4 days ako doon. 4 nights. Kikitain ko doon yung mga friends ko, yung mga kasama ko sa Batangas. Birthday nung isa kong friend, si Jimin. Biglaan nga eh. Mag-soul search muna tayo sa Boracay. The bags are packed. I'm ready to go. Ito pa yung trolley ko sa Saudia. Iiwan na naman si LV. Buti na lang gusto siyang alagaan ng kapitbahay. Flight ko is... Anong oras ba flight ko? 12:45. Kailangan ko umalis dito ng 10:45. Para lang sure. Doon na lang ako mag-aantay. Medyo kinakabahan ako. Hindi ko in-expect na mahirap pala mag-book ng Grab. Try kaya natin. 6-seater. Kasi tinry ko na yung Grab Car Saver, Grab Car 4-seater. Wala pa din. Grab Taxi kaya. Kailangan makaalis na ako ngayon eh. 11 o'clock na. Ay, salamat. Meron na din 9 minutes.
Only want your voice now. Just to let us be. There's a treasure the world.
Sige. Pwede patulong?
Pre, dyan pre, paligid ko no. Paligid mo, digaga. Nakaligting-ting. Gandang diba?
Thank you. Dito ka na.
I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one.
This is the new hotel sa Boracay.
Meron mo kapag nakalabas na ito. Malabas. Ayun!
Hi!
Hindi na kita.
Sabi ko
wait lang. Si Jerry Gajime. Ate, ito kayo naman ko. Yeah.
Your voice, your voice.
Nahuhulog na ako sa chair, kakatawa.
Just to let us be.
Ito yung perfect view. Kita namin yung sunset. Kaso ang daming tao. Harapan namin. Sabi po, please.
Cause before, but you're different, you're good to the bone. It compels me to let I wanna be the one.
Ano ba't ang daming tao?
Mag-akin natin po yan, ma'am.
Ah!
Ako, alisan kasi ngayon natin, bali 5 oras po yan, Ayla.
Ah, hindi ba yung fiesta?
Araw-araw naman, ma'am, pista.
It's our second day here. Magkapulay pala tayo. Hi.
I never thought that I would be alone.
I think yung specialty nila dito is their coffee. We ordered Spanish latte. Very cool ang weather ngayon. Kasi maaga pa. Mamaya mainit na naman yan. Basta ho. Ay, birthday pala. Jimin birthday. It's her birthday today. Magla-lunch kami later sa favorite Italian restaurant ko dito sa buong Pilipinas. Medyo nagiging seryoso na yung mga edad namin. Walking around Christmas tree like a happy holiday. Sa 3 days namin dito, hindi pa namin natatry yung tubig dun sa shore. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Tara na.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, make your mind, make your mind.
Ooh, malamig! Cold! I think I need to pee to make it hot. Cold punch. Water. Kain na naman. Dito sa Bicao. Hiling sinigang. I have been craving for. Fourth day here, and it is currently 8:30 in the morning. Same place, same breakfast, but ngayon hindi magko-coffee. Matcha latte lang in order. It's kind of cold. Hindi sa station 3 para mas malamig kasi sa station 2. Sinigang. Yum. The best. Biglang uminit. Punta na kami sa Mango para palamig ng konti. Kain na naman. Walang katapusang kain. We had a buffet here at Tanan Group Resort. Takbuhan lahat ng tao. I think what we're gonna do here is stay here all night. Kain lang ng kain. Masarap din yung food nila. Fourth plate. Dito lang sa Philippines yung sa buffet. If you have leftovers, you have to pay for it. And I don't see that in other countries. It's just here in the Philippines. Tumigil na yung ulan, kaya marami ng taong naglalakad ulit. I am full, but may dessert pa. Baka dito na kami matutulog sa buffet. Ako, naantok na ako after kainin yung mga yun. But I want that ice cream. Should we go get the ice cream? Let's eat more. I'm gonna get ice cream. What's the ice cream then? Thank you! Oh my goodness! This is our 5th day. Yung Boracay, ang laki na ng mukha ko. Oh my God. Puro kain. Literal. Puro kain. And now, I ordered cafe latte with vanilla ice cream. Hindi ko na talaga alam. Pero masarap. Just because my ice cream. Ice cream and coffee? Ugh. I want unlimited vanilla ice cream. Kung pwede lang yun yung kainin ko the whole time with pasta and sinigang. Life is beautiful. But nag-order din ako ng I didn't order food. Hindi pa ako nag-order ng food. Paulit-ulit na lang yung mga sinusuot ko. We go by the pool area now. best thing, chalk nut. Naubos ko na eh. Naubos ko na bago ko pa ma-videohan. Sorry. All-time favorite. Yes. Ice cream. Is it unlimited? Really? Are you being serious? Oh my god. I'm not hungry. Puti ng face ko compared to my shoulders. Look at that. So different. Because I wore sunscreen on my face and not on my body. Wrong decision. So their ice cream starts, free ice cream. It starts at 3 until 5. So this is the game room slash fitness room dito sa Coast. And this is my game room and there's a chessboard. Of course, we're gonna play chess. Ito yung game room nila. If you win, I'm gonna buy you ice cream at 3 to 5 p.m. Ang daya niya! We have to play again kasi natalo.
Our training. Yun din ang problem eh. Siyempre, it's hard to do it on our own. Nasunog yung property.
Then, our last day! Alis na kami. Meron pang free ice cream. So, kuha na tayo ngayon. This is my favorite part of the day. Ayaw?
Okay na yan. Sige ma'am.
Yesterday it was chocolate. Not sure if umitim ako. Sana umitim ako ng konti. And I'm not sure if naririnig niyo ako. Naantok na ako. 6 o'clock right now. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa port.
Airlines to North of the Filipino welcomes you on board here to 2048 bound for Manila.